I'm Tamara Stawicki, and I'm an associate professor in the neuroscience program here at Lafayette. This summer, we were mainly focusing on a regeneration project. That's certainly, a newer area of our lab is looking at this hair cell regeneration. Deep inside our ears, we have little cells called hair cells. Fish actually have these in addition to the ear along their body. So they're really a great model system to study these cells, even though they're fish and obviously very different than you and I. The hair cells are pretty similar. Hair cells are these really important sensory cells for hearing imbalance, and hearing loss is our most common sensory disorder. And we're doing this in these fish, which because fish have hair cells on the surface of their body instead of just in their ear, we can actually visualize and watch these cells in real time and really learn and see what's happening in a way that's just not really possible in other organisms. Once you get old enough, it's probably close to 50% of the population that has some level of hearing loss. There's also a large number of genetic disorders that, cause hearing loss from birth. The college gives a lot of support for doing student research, which is great. So it just seemed like, a great problem that was very applicable to human health, but could be studied, in an accessible way in this simpler model organism. It's really fun to see their excitement and then also see, what they go on to do after the fact. If we can better understand how these hair cells are functioning normally, the ways by which they're dying, and the ways by which they can regenerate, the people can understand molecules and genes that are important for this process and hopefully eventually, develop better therapies.